those who hunger and thirst for righteousness.
Now comment and let us know which tops you liked.
Give it a 8 on 10.
नीचे ही रहता है while we are making. तो
I mean, you're blessed. That's 2 hours just discussing about our future plans. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to
life with the Sequeras.
A very good morning to everybody. हम लोग के व्यूवर्स को भी प्रणाम नमस्ते बोलते हैं. That's what we say, right? ऐसा ही बोलते हैं ना.
सुप्रभात.
सुप्रभात.
Pranam
सुप्रभात.
is what you are bowing to them out.
अच्छा, सॉरी, मेरे को पता नहीं क्या शब्द है. मैं हिंदी सीरियल बहुत देखता था पहले, तो ये सब बोलते थे. तो ये मेरा क्या बोलते हैं, मेरा व्हाट डू आई से झालं.
आजच्या vocab मध्ये एवढंच होतं
हिंदी मध्ये. अच्छा, सो टुडे हृदय इज गोइंग टू गो टू स्कूल इन सम टाइम फ्रॉम नाउ. व्हाट आर वी मेड फॉर ब्रेकफास्ट बेबी?
उत्तपम, कारण की डोसाचं पीठ होतं.
गुड.
So I didn't want to waste it, and he's also taken some peanut butter sandwiches.
अच्छा, you have put that for tiffin. Okay, that's nice. So today what's the plan for today? आज क्या करने वाले हैं हम लोग?
तो जो हमने कल बहुत सारी शॉपिंग करी थी, हमने आपको दिखाया नहीं था, तो हम वो सारी चीज़ें आपको ये व्लॉग में दिखाएंगे.
सो मोर ऑफ अ शॉपिंग हॉल. That's
Yes.
nice. सो बघू आजचा दिवस.
कसा जातो?
Everything is ready. Maybe kanda onion. Why don't you put this kanda onion directly inside the batter and then put it in the pan?
Firstly, it's too less,
क्या?
the choppings.
Okay.
And I have noticed that whenever I put it inside completely, no,
हाँ.
तो वो नीचे ही रहता है while we are making. तो पहले वाले जो खाते हैं ना,
उनको
उनको प्लेन मिलता
plain
है,
मिलता है.
लास्ट वाले को भरा भरा सा मिलता है.
ओह, ऐसा है क्या?
एंड अभी मैंने सिर्फ हृदय के टिफिन के लिए कट किया था, एंड फॉर ब्रेकफास्ट तो जस्ट एक अनियन एंड टोमेटो. आई डिड नॉट मोर. सो आई थिंक ओके टू गो. लेट्स बिगिन. की माझ्या पायाखाली बसला तू गुड्डू. पाय खाली बसला. थोडासा पाय सरको. हा, बस आता बस.
So how was your birthday?
Oh, birthday was good. मजा आया.
Everybody is talking about the singing and all karaoke session.
That's my favorite thing to do. I actually wanted to dance also, but we were very tired by the end of the day. But it was fun. I love karaoke, though we are not singers, but
Everybody loved the burgers also. They all were commenting burgers are good and all that. Looked amazing.
As I said, I really love to cook, especially when everyone is there around. तुला एकदम कडक पाहिजे ना?
हाँ, कड़क.
हाँ.
मेरे को कड़क डोसा पसंद है. मेरे को क्रिस्पीनेस चाहिए ज़्यादा.
तो
चीज़ डालना उसके ऊपर, अच्छा लगेगा.
हाँ, निकालना एक क्यूब.
ए, अंडा?
No, not अंडा.
क्यों?
बाद में जल्दी जल्दी मुझे भूख लगी, प्लीज.
ठीक है. You want cheese? चीज़ का हम लोग. दिस इज माई लेमन टी के लिए लेमन चाहिए. चीज़ कौन सा वाला? ये वाला ही ना?
स्लाइस, ये ब्लॉक वाला.
ब्लॉक वाला चाहिए. एक मिनट, तेरा कॉफ़ी का ये नहीं. अच्छा, उधर है क्या? रुक, निकालते हैं ना मैं. ओके, हियर इट इज. चेस्टर वांट्स एवरीथिंग.
So, what were we talking about?
That burger you like cooking and everything. Now we'll have this tasty dosa or uttappa, whatever you call it. Yeah, bring cheese, no?
थोड़ा सा.
Okay.
अच्छी है बेबी.
Of course. बस. जो भी निकले ना वही डाल बस. नेक्स्ट डोसा कौन सा रहेगा?
शेजवान डोसा फॉर मी.
Szechuan chutney for Szechuan baby.
One second. I was on the small spoon.
Mm,
You want Rizwan?
no.
पक्का
Yes.
बहुत टेस्टी लगेगा सोच ले.
No thanks. अरे इसमें भी चीज डाल रही है?
Of course.
तूने तो बोला था तेरे को शेजवान डोसा चाहिए ना, तो शेजवान चीज थोड़ी बोला था.
हाँ वो चीज मैंडेटरी होता है. रेसिपी का पार्ट है. पूजा's किचन.
उसको भी चाहिए. देख कैसा आ रहा है वो उधर से. हाँ
टेस्टू
टेस्टू.
लागेल ना तुला काच बीच पाडायचास. वाह लवली. हाय 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 क्या दिख रहा है. देख वो चीज मेल्टेड. यम्मी. How was the breakfast, baby?
It was good, but I was missing the chutney as always. I mean, I'm used to having
Dosa with
dosa
green
with
chutney.
Yeah, and वही miss है, but it's tasty, it's nice. And while watching breakfast, I'm watching this new series, A Good Girl's Guide to Murder.
How is it?
What, the series or
The series, because
first
I am.
episode? Just is the first episode. just
Acha, I
started.
thought you were already watching,
That
no?
was Residence. That's over. Amazing series that too. But then I just came to know that there is no second season to it. They have cancelled. So I'm like, ठीक है, चलो, find a new series. So we found this now. Now let's see how this turns out to be. Starting looks good. It's interesting. Let's see.
So
how it
just
ends.
for some FYI, I don't watch all this. Only baby enjoys watching this.
Yeah, and once Hriday comes, I can't get to watch that because
Yeah.
we don't show him all these things at least. And then, Abhi, I love to watch. I love to watch.
And
it.
now you are relatively like you have some time. Once you also are busy with your events and
yeah,
all.
next month onwards, like September, October से चालू होएगा. Then I have no time to do anything apart from wedding, couple's name, this, that. So
Correct.
It's a bit chaotic, and then I need
Yeah,
to
baby.
even. What was that?
Thread.
And then I need to travel, then sleep, rest, change, wear
Drive.
Drive is so there. I love driving, so not a problem as such. But then putting on those suits, I mean, and you have to remain tip top,
Hashtag MC
You
life.
can't be shabby. You can't just dress whatever. wear
Correct.
whatever
You need
I
to be
have.
presentable.
I have to be presentable. So because of that,
Imagine
all things.
to everyone out there, आप लोगों को एक ही शादी में जाना होता है तो
हाँ,
you all are
that's
so
correct.
tired
Yeah.
and
Imagine. And I have no rest. Like there are continuous 8 weddings. Now in the month of December, I have 12 weddings continuous. So imagine we have even weekday weddings. And considering weekday traffic is horrible, I have to be there early. Luckily, by God's grace, we are blessed with an amazing car. So,
I'll come next to you. Wait.
As I was saying, we are blessed with an amazing car. So at least I can rest there, carry as many suits as I can. And just, when I reach the venue around 5 p.m. And then for 1 hour, I rest in that car. So that is like my home. It is something that I feel comfortable before the show, after the show. So, I mean, we are blessed. That's the only thing I can say, And now I guess too much of talking हो गया. चलो खाते हैं अभी.
As I said, hashtag MC life.
Yes.
Chala. So now I am just going to sit and enjoy my breakfast.
See this
And
fellow.
I will try to convince baby not to watch this and switch to something good.
No, that's not happening.
Remote
no,
is
please.
here.
Baby, no, yeah, please don't do all that. Huh? So, guys, we are doing some work. We have a lot of projects that we are planning to do. So we were just having a brainstorming session, and we discussed a lot about it. We spent nearly 2 hours just discussing about our future plans with regards to the vlogs. And
Sorry.
oh, sorry, क्या?
भाकरी खाएगा?
नहीं, I don't want भाकरी. क्या है? अच्छा खाने में? भाकरी.
हाँ.
And
चपाती खाएगा ना तू?
chapati and
Soybean.
Soybean बनाएंगे? Oh, check that out. We have soybean. Oh, then I'll have that with chapati and a little bit of rice also if possible. दिखता है. So as I was saying that we are having a lot of projects. We will share that in due time. But we all need is just your support, nothing else.
And we could reach here only because of your support.
Hmm.
So please continue supporting us. If you
Yes.
haven't still subscribed to our channel,
Please
do hit the
subscribe.
subscribe button.
और अगर आपको हमारा व्लॉग्स अच्छे लगे, प्यारे लगे, तो प्लीज़ आपके फैमिली मेम्बर्स के साथ भी करिए और उन्हें कहिए कि व्लॉग्स देखे. उन लोग हिंदी में भी बात करते हैं, मराठी में बात करते हैं, इंग्लिश में भी बात करते हैं, सब लैंग्वेज में बात करते हैं. तो प्लीज़ सपोर्ट करें और स्प्रेड करें हमारे व्लॉग्स के बारे में. तो अभी चलते, मैं खाना खाता हूँ. आपने देख लिया है ऑलरेडी क्या है खाने में. इट्स गोइंग टू बी अ वेरी वेरी lazy afternoon after this because after eating I feel lazy. I go off to sleep at least for an hour. Hriday is back from school by the way and he's just gone straight away to sleep. So when he wakes up I'll show him to you guys. So now heading over to have lunch. Baby's calling me. This is what I'm having for my lunch. Rice, chapati, soya chunks curry, some bundi raita and a little bit of coke. Baby has cut short on my rice. Why have you done that?
Portion control.
Portion control.
We both are doing. I'm following a little more of a diet kind of a thing. Making baby also do it. Let's see हम लोग कितना आगे जा रहे हैं.
ठीक है. Let's continue watching my.
Nothing. I'm not watching a stupid series.
I'll watch it alone. No worries. So guys, from Amazon my parcels have come in and let me show you what I have purchased. पहले तो मैं इसको इधर रखता हूँ. पहले एक बड़ा वाला खोलता हूँ. Chester, you also want to see what I got? Huh? You also want to see what I purchased? पहले तो जो इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ है वो है, बहुत बड़ा है. First and foremost, I have purchased a bag for myself. This is the bag. Let's show you how it is. Wow. This is my new bag. Gym bag, बोल सकते हो, swimming bag, whatever. There's a lot of space to keep shoes. So I can carry my shoes. Wow. Nice, baby.
Nice color.
Nice color also. Yeah. हाँ, shoes रखने के लिए इधर है. Serious. Come ahead. I can put my shoes here. Or else you can put your wet clothes after swimming. 100% cashback. Nice. So this is good. And the other one I got for baby, I got for you, which is you
For
are
me?
always complaining that है नहीं ट्राइपॉड बराबर का, ट्राइपॉड स्टैंड बराबर नहीं है. So I've got a good one this time with a nice cover so you can carry it and go wherever you want. तो ऐसे छोटा क्यों लग रहा है मेरे को ये? हाँ. Hey, got hurt, Babu? Oh, sorry. Okay, for you. Check this out, baby. This is for you.
Nice color.
Oh, wow, nice.
Be careful, huh?
Must है रे, baby. Sturdy, I feel. Wow, looks also good and classy.
Keep it down here, and we'll see the height as per this door. Then they can understand कि कितना बड़ा है.
Let me open it up completely for you guys. Oh, this is good. Sturdy one है रे. Something that we always wanted. था हम लोग के पास पहला भी, but it's such a thing कि it gets spoiled and damaged. Wow, मैंने खुला ही नहीं, sorry, my bad. 1, 2. See, this is how it is. 1 minute, my bad. Too excited. ये ऐसा है and this also. इसको भी ऊपर कर सकते हैं. proper one, no? Maybe how you liked it?
Nice.
You also want to know what's in this? Oh, this is that stand which I wanted for my meetings. So when I have my online meetings, I need a stand to place my mobile. And now considering I use the iPhone Pro Max, usually the old stands don't take that weight, so I needed something very sturdy, and this is what I got. Oh, you have to assemble it. So assemble it and show it to you. So guys, this is how the stand looks. Look at it. It's too sturdy, amazing. So I can now record it well and no worry of it falling down. So it's really amazing. What do you think, guys? Charlie Coco? Okay. You'll also figure out and tell me how it is.
सो आम्ही जी काल शॉपिंग केलेली म्हणजे मी शॉपिंग केलेली अँड तुम्ही पाहिलात असाल की इट वॉज सो क्राउडेड. सो मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम्स बेबी वॉज स्टँडिंग ॲट द बिलिंग काउंटर अँड आय वॉज ॲट द ट्रायल रूम. सो बेबी ऑल्सो डज नॉट ॲक्च्युअली नो वॉट आय हॅव शॉप्ड. So I have worn and recorded some pictures and clips for him. So now he is going to be reacting to those clothes. आणि त्याच्यासोबत
ऑनेस्ट रिएक्शन.
या एंड ही गिव मी हिज ऑनेस्ट फीडबैक.
बिकॉज यूजुअली क्या होता है कि जब वो ट्रायल करने जाती है मॉल्स में मैं बाहर खड़ा रहता हूँ, बट कल क्या हुआ था, इतना भीड़ थी, वो लाइन के लिए भी बिलिंग काउंटर का लाइन भी इतना लंबा था, तो मुझे उधर रहना था. एंड यू नो मैंने बोला कि तू जा शॉपिंग कर ले, मैं लाइन में रहते हैं.
एंड इट वाज ओवरली क्राउडेड. आई डोंट
हाँ, मुझे 55 मिनट्स लगा सिर्फ लाइन में रहने के लिए, बिलिंग का काउंटर, और ट्रायल के लिए भी बहुत लंबा लाइन था. तो मैं बोला भाई तू जरा जो भी है आप शॉपिंग कर लो, उसके बाद मैं देखता हूँ अभी घर पे जाके. तो अभी इसने रिकॉर्ड किया है वीडियोस, तो अभी देखता हूँ कैसा है. मैं मेरा ऑनेस्ट ओपिनियन दूंगा. अगर नहीं पसंद आया तो मैं बोलूंगा, मुंह पे ही बोलेगा इसका. नहीं पसंद आया तो नहीं पसंद आया.
So should we start?
Yes, we'll start.
Okay, the first one.
अच्छा है, बट लूज नहीं है क्या तेरे को थोड़ा
किधर से?
इधर से स्लीव से, क्या ऐसा ही है उसका?
स्लीव से नहीं है लूज. It is
It's nice. It's good. It's good color.
हाँ, there is 3/4 sleeves आहे.
This will go in any jeans, even
Yeah.
formal pant भी अच्छा लगेगा इसमें. Very nice. I will give it a 8 on 10.
Okay.
Next. ये भी अच्छा, सेम ही है लाइक बिफोर. ओनली डिफरेंस है इसमें पोल्का डॉट्स है, मतलब इट्स लाइक अ डैल्मेशियन डॉग वाला टॉप, बट आई लाइक इट. अच्छा है ये. दिस आई गिव इट 8 on 10 अगेन. अच्छा है. नेक्स्ट.
थोडा लूज आहे फिटिंग में आणि थोडं क्लोज टू चीता प्रिंट वगैरे असं काहीतरी आहे.
डॅल्मेशियन डॉग. हाँ,
या
डॅल्मेशियन डॉग. नेक्स्ट.
नाउ दिस वन.
Oh, ये really good है. I like it. Maroon color is one of my favorite. Currently wearing it like that. और the fitting is amazing. This feels like the same one, the first top that you had, but color wise मस्त है. 9 on 10.
I have one in green like that, fluorescent green. I
नहीं,
put
मेरे
the
को ये-
photo here. तसाच आहे हा सिमिलर. आणि आय थिंक माझ्याकडे ह्याचा पर्पल वाला शेड सुद्धा आहे. इन केस आय गेट द फोटो मी इथे तो डिस्प्ले करीन. सो
9 on 10. 9 on 10 for this.
थोडी फिटिंग छान आहे ह्याची.
Yes, yes.
ओके, नाउ विल गो टू द नेक्स्ट वन. सो दिस वन आय फील बेबी विल नॉट लाइक इट. लेट्स जस्ट सी इट.
ये क्या है बेबी? ये दिस इज लाइक दैट.
बैटमैन.
नहीं, बैटमैन भी नहीं. ये रग दिख रहा है, मतलब वो हम लोग क्या दोनों
I didn't like this, honestly. नहीं.
I knew, but to be honest, मला ह्याची स्टाईल आवडली because all tops should not look the same ना, तो थोड़ी this variety.
ये टॉप है ही नहीं, ये टॉप नहीं है, ये टॉवल है.
इतना भी गंदा नहीं है.
But then if you do something with like down ऐसा वो गांठ मारेगा ना नीचे, it'll look good. गांठ मारेगा तो it'll look good.
नीचे.
अच्छा.
But
because usually in shirts or crop tops like this there are people who put that गांठ मार के नॉट मारते हैं वो लोग, तो अच्छा दिखता है. But I'm not a fan of this, but still baby looks good in everything. So I'll give it a 5 on 10.
Okay, great.
Next. बहुत शॉपिंग किया रे, कितना बिल हुआ रे?
Now this one. So this is not that I got from the shop, but this is something I received from my friend
Okay.
for my birthday. But how I really loved the fitting. What do you think?
Fitting is good, but this is like for Navratri.
हाँ, but
not
fitting
for
वगैरह
I mean
छान
इधर
है.
उधर जाने के लिए नहीं होगा. नवरात्रि टाइप्स ऐसा फेस्टिवल टाइप्स रहेगा ना, then it makes sense in wearing
Yeah,
this.
but it looks good.
It looks good, looks decent. Fitting भी अच्छा
Fitting
है.
इसका बहुत
Fitting is
अच्छा
good,
है.
so
Yes.
I'll give this a 8 on 10. Yes. अभी और कितना है रे बेबी, कितना शॉपिंग किया?
Now I'll show you 1 second. This one.
Oh, ये this is too good. ये मस्त है, really nice.
It's nice.
It's really good. Yeah. Must hai. I love the fitting. And actually with this jeans, so it looks amazing. I love this.
Yeah, neck is also like
Perfect.
pretty good.
10 on 10.
आणि ते असं पुढून थोडं asymmetrical tops I
कुछ
think
नहीं है.
is
It's
called
perfect.
कुछ नहीं it's called that kind of
अच्छा,
a
I thought you were saying it's
high
like,
low
but then
की
it's
तो पुढून
amazing.
थोडासा लो असतो आणि मागून थोडा हाय असतो so it's like
10 on 10.
that
10 on 10 for this. इसका कोई अलग कलर नहीं
he
था.
would like it and
इसका कोई
white-
अलग कलर नहीं था क्या?
नहीं it was एक ही था उसमें.
Because if I was there, I would have told you get all the colors of this. 10 on 10. एक नंबर.
Yes.
और भी है क्या?
So I think और नहीं है यही सारे हैं and I have put up as many links as I could so in case you all want to buy this please check the description box and you all can go and
check it out yourself. Yes. चलो now done. Anything else you supposed to show? सब हो गया ना हम लोग का जो दिखाने का था. ठीक है. And we also got a few more things from DIY that we will show to you in due course of our vlogs because we have already put it to use. And now we'll just go ahead and say a short prayer. It's evening time, so prayer तो बोलना ही पड़ता है. So we are going and heading over to say our prayers.
Blessed are the poor in spirit, for theirs is the kingdom of heaven. Blessed are those who mourn, for they shall be comforted. Blessed are the meek, for they shall inherit the earth. Blessed are those who hunger and thirst for righteousness, for they shall be filled. Blessed are the merciful, for they shall obtain mercy. Blessed are the pure in heart, for they shall see God. Blessed are the peacemakers, for they shall be called sons of God. Blessed are those who are persecuted for righteousness' sake, for theirs is the kingdom of heaven.
So guys, this is how our day went. You already saw the shopping that baby did. Now comment and let us know which tops you liked, and if you want to go and check those out, already we have put them in the description and it must have been come in your screen. So I hope you have gone and checked it out, and now we are going to have our dinner and just doze off to sleep. Asa, you want to say something? So असा होता आमचा पूर्ण दिवस. हा व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर लाईक करा, कमेंट करा, शेअर करा आणि आमच्या चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा. बाय.